Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to move each finger individually. And this will be an easy tutorial, so let's get right into this instructional tutorial video. If you want to move each finger individually, this is the video for you. I'll show you exactly how to do it. And I'll be demonstrating with this hand over here. I know I use this hand for the intro, but I'll be using this hand for the actual video. So what you want to do, first and foremost, I'm going to get right into it. What you want to do is you want to just make sure that you have control over each finger by just moving it ever so slightly. So you start with my thumb. I'm going to focus my mind on my thumb. I'm going to look at my thumb and I'm going to move it just a little bit like that. And only that finger. I now have control over that finger. Okay? Then my index finger, staring at it, thinking about it, feeling it, moving it just a little bit. I now have control over that finger. Middle finger next. Same thing. There's the control. Ring finger next. There's the control. Pinky next. There's the control. So you saw I moved each finger individually. Stare at it, think about it, move it a little bit. That's how you train your brain to get control over each of those muscles. Okay? You got to practice that. Try that a few times, a few reps, going like that. Once you're ready, you move it to the next level, which is slowly moving each finger individually and a little bit more. So thumb, little bit more. Okay? And slowly. Index, little bit more. Slowly. Middle, like that. Okay? Ring, like that. Pinky, like that. Now you see, the other fingers are slightly moving with it, but that's the best I can do. And as you do a few reps of that, do a few reps of exactly what I just showed you. Then you can move on to the next stage, which is complete control over your individual fingers. So thumb, like that. Index finger, just like that. Middle finger. Okay, moving on to the ring finger. It's the hardest one for me. And then pinky. See? Pinky, I don't have complete control yet. But if I practice what I showed you, then I would have complete control. So that's how to move each finger individually. An easy tutorial. Just do multiple reps. Start off at the smallest version of the movement that I showed you and work your way to the ending. And then you have complete control over which finger you want to move individually. Just like that, okay? And keep practicing. Practice will make progress and you'll eventually get it. It's as simple as that. And I tried to keep it short and sweet and straight to the point, so hopefully you enjoyed this video tutorial. I got nothing else to say, so we're going to roll the outro. If you like this video tutorial, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.